Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be the last few boxes I have left and a few little small entries for my challenge. So the one I am showing you today is from Kelly Martinez on YouTube. I'll have her link down below so you guys can go check her out. Kelly said this is her first tag flip, so I am super excited. I got a lot of newbies on this challenge and you guys have been doing amazing. Now, Kelly, I did watch your VR and I noticed that you had said that you only had the large ring. I got you, girl. I changed it to the smaller one and that is all fixed, so you don't have to worry about it. I know you were a little concerned that it was a little too big, but it was all you had, which is fine. I have way too many of these little rings and I fixed it up for you, and look how cute. You guys, here is Kelly's tag flip. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys her card. Look at her shaker card. She did have a VR. I have it up on my channel. She left it blank, of course, so that I can use it. There's tool back here. So cute. I absolutely love it. The little happy birthday. Love your card, Kelly. And then as her embellishments, she made me 2 bag toppers. I'm gonna untie this so I can show you guys. Look how cute her bag toppers are. They are super adorable. They say celebrate, little puffy. Love the little heart handle. So these are Kelly's embellishment and card. And then let me show you guys her tag flip. Look how cute. It says happy birthday. She did so good for a first time tag flipper. Does that even make sense? She had her little note back here for me. Look how cute. I love this. A little party hat. And then back here, she gifted me some stickers. It's on some acetate. Then we have this one right here that says sweet on the little birthday cake. We got the little cupcake. Super cute. Back here, she gifted me some bows. You guys have been hooking it up with the bows. Super adorable. And look at this one, you guys. It's a cute little like puffed up rosette in yellow. Says live in the moment. She's got this little die cuts coming out from the sides. Adorable. Back here, she gifted me some, like, I like these because they look like pearls. That is super cute. I don't have anything that white. Mine are like kind of like off-white. So thank you so much for those. Love the little pocket. And then look, you guys, she made this super cute little belly band. It says happy. And then she gifted me some cute little feathers, like die cuts in gold. All different sizes. And she used those little pearl jemmies that she gifted me on the side. Cute little bird. Love the floral. And then you guys, look at this, how cute. It says happy birthday. It's dimensional. It says but first glitter. She used a lot of this little kind of like glittery, what do you call these? Like pipe cleaners. Little jemmies. Super cute. And then in the back, she gifted me some sequins. Look at that mix. How pretty is that? So cute. I love how she put like all these little gifts in the back little pockets. So creative. And look, you guys, she gifted me the cutest little makeup stickers. These are adorable. I love these. I don't have them. And she also gifted me a face mask. You guys already know I love me some face masks. And with this weather, my skin is so dry, so I definitely could use all the face masks I can. But yeah, you guys, that is Kelly Martinez's entry for my challenge. Definitely go check her out and give her a follow and go subscribe and show her some love. Thank you so much, Kelly, for entering. Moving on to the next one. I think I'm going to do the small ones because I have 2 boxes behind me. I have this one right here. And this is from Emily Roman. I'm not sure if Emily has a channel, but if you do, Emily, I don't think you left it anywhere Leave it commented down below so that I can definitely tag you. Thank you so much for entering my challenge. She used this super cute glassine bag to put her little embellishments. She made me some rosettes with some super cute little party hats. So cute. I love this tissue paper. And then we're definitely saving that, so I'm going to put that here to the side. This is her handmade card. And look at this, you guys. How cute is that? It says, hooray. She put a cute little straw. It says, get your party on. I love this. So cute. Look at the little pom-poms. So creative. I love when you guys get creative. Look at this. A little party never hurt nobody. That is too cute. So let me put this right here. These are Emily's embellishments. And this is her tag flip. She put this super cute little tassel. And look at all the little jemmies that makes it look super colorful. She put Liller. Cute little cupcake with some tulle. Some crepe paper in the back. I love the stripes. Look, you guys. Hooray for cake. So fun. And then back here, she put this cute little, this is from the Hooray collection, a bunch of jemmies, a cute little tulle ball. That is just adorable. Thank you so much, Emily, for entering my challenge and supporting the birthday bash. And moving along, I also did get a super cute memory decks card from Leticia Savala. You guys, check this memory decks card out. How cute is this? She just sent me a memory decks card. I love it. Look at the cake. It's a little shaker with a little panda. Thank you so much, Leticia. That is so sweet. I love the little candles. So cute. And then she gave me another one where I can put in the back with all her information. So I'm not going to show that because that is for me. Thank you so much, Leticia. That's super sweet. And then we have another entry right here. These are the embellishments. Super cute die cut little cupcakes. I've never seen that die cut before. I love the paper that she used. And let me see if I can, I think she might have left me, yes, she left me, her name is Crafty Designs. I think it's Olivia. So I think it's Olivia. This is Olivia's card. And I'm going to have her tag down below because I think she's, yep, Crafty Designs. Either on YouTube or Instagram. I will find her and post her down below. But look at this super cute card, you guys. Look at her eyes. Is that not the cutest? I love it. And I love her embellishments. They are adorable. And then we have her tag flip, you guys. Look how cute this is. It's a wood veneer that says celebrate. There's a cute little arrow here with a candle. It says today. And then she also did double side. Look at the little shaker. Cute little zebra. Isn't that adorable? You can like write something here. And she's got the little hashtag. It says celebrate, shine. And then this cute little page flag. So cute. Over here, she's got a cute little picture frame. A little butterfly, when and where. So if I wanted to like fill out the information for my birthday, I can. Which is so fun. Look at this. She propped up this cute little flower. Excuse me. Then, oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. And then she's got some little jemmies all around. Little butterfly. So cute. And then she's got the back here. It says happy day to you. A cute little star. I think this is actually the front of the tag flip. It says hooray. And she's got some cute little candles. And look at the shaker in the back, you guys. Is that not the cutest? I love it. Thank you so much, Olivia. So I'm definitely going to have you tagged down below. If I get it wrong, you guys, if you see that I didn't put your right link, definitely let me know. I'll change it right away. I try to get all the best links that I find for you guys, whether it's your Instagram or your YouTube. I do link you guys down below. But that is it for this video with these entries. I will save the 2 boxes for the next video. Thank you, ladies, for participating in my challenge. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.